This is the best review video considering the current situation of the world. You may have already guessed what our gadget is today from the title and the thumbnail. So without any further ado, let us get started with today's short and sweet full review of the Mi Soap Dispenser. You get the soap dispenser, a container bottle with soap and an instruction manual in the box. Sadly, the 4 AA batteries required to operate the dispenser need to be bought separately. Don't worry, normal AA batteries from your local electronics store works great. The dispenser has compact and minimal design that Xiaomi is famous for. The matte finish adds aesthetics to the design. You can open the bottom compartment of the dispenser to insert the batteries. The soap dispenser's bottom perfectly fits into the containers. There is a single touch button on top of the dispenser that performs all kinds of operations possible in this gadget. But there isn't much to do actually. You simply touch the button once to turn the device on or off. A light glow can be seen on the logo when it is on, and once pressed it turns orange and slowly turns off completely. The dispenser won't drop any soap when you approach it in off condition. The best part about this dispenser is that you can carry it due to its lightweight and use it anywhere you like, unlike other soap dispensers which require the help from a technician to set it up at a particular place. You may be thinking, how does this dispenser work its magic? Well, it mixes the liquid soap found in the container bottle with the air in the ratio of 1:12 to give us an economical amount of soap foam that is perfect for one-time hand washing. There is a spout on the mouth of the dispenser which is tilted at around 45 degrees from the vertical axis. It makes it convenient to supply the foam right into our hands. The dispenser comes with a motion sensor inside that detects our hands when it is within 10 cm from this spout. There is no delay in dispensing the soap foam even when you go for a second take. What's amazing is that it does this without making any much mechanical noise. The soap container has 2 holes on top. One hole is for providing soap to the dispenser and another one is for taking the appropriate proportion of air in creating the soap foam. The 4 AA batteries can work the dispenser for up to 375 times. This number exactly matches with the 300 ml bottle pack provided from Xiaomi, so I recommend you to get that. The original liquid soap from Xiaomi has a neutral smell and is made up of natural ingredients which makes the hands soft after use. You can also use any other liquid soap found in the market and put it into the container bottle, but the proportion of it mixing with water may be different for each. At a budget pricing, this is a great gadget for household uses. It may not be suitable for public uses as after 375 times you have to replace the battery. So this is it for our short and sweet full review of the Mi Soap Dispenser. I'll see you in the next video.